Methods of contraception are of two types. First, temporary method and second, permanent method. Temporary method further divided into two parts. First, natural method and second, artificial method. Natural method, it's a naturally further divided into three parts. Natural method, first, safe period. The other term, rhythm method, or periodic abstinence. This term is most important for board on short note. And the other part, withdrawal method or coitus interruption. First is periodic abstinence and second is coitus interruption and third, lactational amenorrhea. Third one is lactational amenorrhea. Firstly, the safe period of the natural method, periodic abstinence method, then after menstruation, 1 week after menstruation and after 1 week after menstruation, it's a safe period for intercourse or the conceived, check the pregnancy conceived at this time period. And the other part, withdrawal method or coitus interrupts, means in this case the male discharge the semen outside of the vagina. And the third one, lactational amenorrhea. At this time, the absence of menses means after parturition, after baby birth or expelling baby outside, then 1 or 3 months totally safe, because absence of intercourse at this time period and absence of men's and the lactational period, it's very active at this time. And the second part, permanent methods are surgical methods, and in artificial method or a barrier method, further divided into 5 parts. First, mechanical method. In mechanical method, contraceptions is in case of male, use condom, and condom, it's a delicate synthesized by the polythene or latex-like substance, and it's protect the copulation and check the sperm entry in vaginal tract. And in female, diaphragm, it's a dome-shaped like this, dome-shaped structure. It's insert inside the cervix region in female body, and the cervical vault cap and fame shield. Different types of mechanical barriers used in male and female reproductive organs. And the other chemical method is also known as spermicides, and spermicides check the growth and viability of the sperm inside the vaginal tract. And the example of the chemical, it's Today it's after copulation. It's used in 72 hours In 72 hours, it's active inside the body and release a fragrance and the foam like substance inside. Then check the sperm growth. And the other Delphin is a creamy substance or an ointment used inside the vaginal tract. And third one is intrauterine devices, IUDs. Expand the term of IUDs is intrauterine devices. And intrauterine devices are in type of copper T. And copper T like T-like structure, and it's T insert inside the cervix region, and then check the fusion of male and female gametes. And the other is multi-load 375, copper T 380 and multi-load 375. And next one is physiological devices. Physiological devices is also known as oral pills. You know, some females use oral pills like Maladi and Saheli, and this type of oral drugs found in CDRI in research center, CDRI Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow. It's a very important, and it's used the duration maintained of both childs. And the last injection or implantation system. Injection inject the hormones in female body after secure phase 5 years or 3 years duration in 2 childs. And the implantation implanted Depo-Provera, a type of capsules, 6 capsules insert inside the upper arm region and beneath the skin. Permanent method of birth control is also known as surgical method. And the permanent method divided into 2 parts. First, vasectomy method, and second, tubectomy method. Vasectomy found in case of, example, in case of male, human male, and the tubectomy, example, in case of female, and in male, the reproductive tract, what's the difference? Tie and cut. Check the entry of sperm inside the seminal vesicles, and check the reproductive system by the fusion of gametes like a male and female. And in case of female body, the tubectomy, most permanent and surgical method. And in tubectomy, the fallopian tube, it's a dome-shaped uterus. The fallopian tube region cut and ligated at the both end. It check the entry of the ovum inside, and the fusion of ova, and check the enters of the sperm inside the uterus. It's both are permanent method of barriers.